viewers, this is Learn Igbo on igboticnono, and in today's video we'll be learning about Igbo proverbs, meaning and origins. Okay, so sit back and enjoy this video, and make sure to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Give this video a thumbs up, share it to your friends and family, and most importantly, if you give this video a thumbs up, it's going to make YouTube to recommend me to a wider range of people, and I will really appreciate it. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. I repeat, in today's video I've already told you we're going to be talking about Igbo verbs, meaning Igbo proverbs, meaning and origins. Okay, the Igbo people are one of the major ethnic groups in Nigeria. Argue with yourself, it's the fact. Period. Okay, period. Okay, the Igbo people are one of the most ethnic groups in Nigeria. We are major. Okay. We are major. We are stronger than ever. Okay, you can go and read up the history, or if you want me to talk about the history of Igbo people, please put down in the comment section and I'm going to talk about it. So next time, if somebody is trying to make you to feel like Osu outcast, just like Nigerians are doing, Igbo this, Igbo that, Igbo this, Igbo that, please just go back to the video, watch it, or send a link to them for them to watch and calm down their brain. Okay, we are mighty, we are strong. Okay, we're genius. Okay, so with that being said, let me continue, please. I'm just trying to defend my tribe, which is obvious, which is the obvious truth. Okay, the Igbo people are one of the major ethnic groups in Nigeria, known for their rich culture and tradition. Okay, Igbo proverbs are an important part of the oral tradition, and they are used to convey wisdom, morals, and advice. Exactly. Period. 100%. Here are some popular Igbo proverbs, their meaning and their origins. Okay. Number 1. Listen. I'm going to say the English translation first 2 times, then I'll say the Igbo. Okay, one does not use both hands to bring a container of water to the mouth. One does not use both hands to bring a container of water to the mouth. Anaghị agwa ochintị n'aka. Anaghị agwa ochintị n'aka. One does not use both hands to bring a container of water to the mouth. Just learn these proverbs and master it. See, one thing about proverb is that the way it is said, the reason it's a proverb is because the way it is said is not actually what it means. Just like, look at what I just said now. Anaghị agwa ochintị n'aka. But see what the meaning is. One does not use both hands to bring a container of water to the mouth. You see? It's just a very interesting words that our elders or very knowledgeable people use in some instances or in some cases, and it really imparts or draws into your, like, do you understand? So we'll go for that. This proverb means that one should not be greedy or take more than they can handle. Okay, it is believed to have been originated from the Igbo practice of fetching water from a stream, where it was necessary to balance a container or one's hand while using the other to support it. Do you understand? And number 2 here is, where the rich gather, a small child should not boast of his pedigree. Where the rich gather, a small child should not boast of his pedigree. Where the rich gather, a small child should not boast of his pedigree. Okay? Maka n'ebe a na-echebe ọgaranya, nwa nkịta uburu na-efe efe. Maka n'ebe a na-echebe ọgaranya, nwa nkịta eburu na-efe efe. Where the rich gather, a small child should not boast of his pedigree. This proverb advises against boasting or being arrogant, especially in the presence of people who are more accomplished or wealthy. It is believed to have been originated from the Igbo beliefs that humility is virtue that should be cultivated. In all I said now, what should you mark? Humility is virtue. Because some people are too loud. You're in the midst of people that have money. You know that these people pass you, but your body will not allow you. You'll be making noise and be ginging. And trust me, if you have once been in such a gathering, they usually look at the person as if the person has mental. Like, and trust me, when they invite again, if there's a party that is opportune to come up again, you won't be called, because even though you think you're expecting yourself, you're expecting your foolishness. So be calming down, okay? Be calming down. And there's this saying that says, "Onye ji ego anaghị eme mkpọtụ." onye ji ego anaghị eme mkpọtụ. It is true and it still remains. Person wey hold money no dey make noise. Person wey hold money, you know they shout, you know they make noise. And people go dey tell you say this person get money. Oh, now people go dey tell you say this person get money. You self, you go dey doubt that. Now so person wey get money they do. They like to hide themselves because they don't know who their enemy is. They don't want to be struck down, so they like to keep low. Do you understand? Number 3 here is when one is about to speak, he must think first. When one is about to speak, he must think first. Mgbe onye ga-eji ama okwu, ya kpuru okwu. Mgbe onye ga-eji ama okwu, ya kpuru okwu. This proverb emphasizes the importance of thinking before speaking to avoid saying something foolish or hurtful. It is believed to have been originated from the beliefs that words have power and one should be careful with what they say. Do I need to repeat this thing again? Do I need to repeat it again? This proverb has said it all. You have to think before talking to avoid looking like a foolish person. Sorry, my braces sometimes distorts my speech. To avoid to be seen as a foolish person, you have to think before talking. Some people don't think before talking. They say anything they want to say and they hurt the next person. And trust me, some people don't have a forgiving spirit. If you're very active on social media, you will see one thing that came up on Instagram where a lady, and yes, because the friend once snatched the boyfriend from her, and after 10 years this girl took a revenge. Some people don't forgive, so don't think because you forgive easily another person forgives easily. So think before you talk, watch your mouth so you don't hurt other persons. Okay, so number 4 here, which is probably the last one, is the time of drought is not the time to dig a well. The time of drought is not the time to dig a well. Oge adịghị ama mmiri. Oge adịghị ama mmiri. Do you understand? The time of drought is not the time to dig a well. This proverb means that one should be prepared and plan ahead for difficult times instead of waiting until it is too late. It is believed to have been originated from the Igbo practice of digging wells during the rainy season to prepare for the dry season. If you come to the eastern part of Nigeria, particularly the Anambra State, and I think other parts of Igbo language speaking Igbo speaking land, we always have well in our villages. Okay, yeah, some people have pipe on water, it's fine, but we also have wells in addition just to prepare for the dry season. Okay, so it is a normal thing we do. So just in general, what is this proverb trying to say? It's just for you to get prepared. Okay, just get prepared, be ready, be on your feet at all times. Just don't slank and be waiting till the drought is near. Okay, the last one here is the king is the house, the house is the king. The king is the house and the house is the king. This proverb means that a good leader must be in tune with the needs of the people, and the people must also respect and support their leader. It is believed to have originated from the Igbo belief in the importance of community and leadership. This particular proverb is what I'll throw for the Nigerian government and the Nigerian thing overall. The king is house and the house is the king. In my country where I come from, Nigeria, it's the other way around. Like, it's the other way around. In this proverb, you're supposed to do what the people want, and the people in turn are supposed to give you respect and accord you, some support. But in my country, it's the other way around. Guys, hope you enjoyed. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. This video is of course the Igbo proverbs, their origin and their meanings. Please, if you did enjoy, please put down in the comment section. Also, you can tell me other videos that you want me to bring up in this channel. Share these videos with your friends and family. Subscribe to this channel and let's get this channel going. I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.